He's probably the strongest man I know. He's got CHF, and so very frequently his lungs will fill with fluid and he can't breathe, and he's been in and out of the hospital more this year than he's been out. They made the decision to put him on hospice care because it's what's best for him, no more trips to the hospital. But it means a lot that the community would even come together like this for him. Yeah. But you don't expect people who don't know you, complete strangers, to say, come and let me hug you. And I can't articulate it. You guys are amazing. Trying to spend time with him, trying to laugh with him, talking and
making memories.